The ELGOTAN 51-in-1 small cordless precision screwdriver kit with 48 magnetic bits is a versatile and handy tool for anyone who needs to work with small electronics, including cell phones, laptops, cameras, and more. In this review, we will explore the features of the screwdriver kit and how it performs in various situations. Design. The ELGOTAN 51-in-1 small cordless precision screwdriver kit is designed with a sleek and compact look. The kit includes a small, cordless screwdriver that is easy to grip and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The screwdriver features a magnetic tip that helps hold screws in place during use, preventing them from getting lost or dropped. The kit also comes with 48 magnetic bits in different sizes and shapes, including Phillips, flathead, Torx, and hex bits, to handle a wide range of screw types. Performance. The ELGOTAN screwdriver kit performs well in various situations. The cordless screwdriver is powered by two AAA batteries, which provide enough power for most small electronics jobs. The magnetic tip is strong enough to hold screws securely, yet not so strong that it is difficult to remove them when needed. The bits are also easy to swap out, thanks to the magnetic design, which saves time and effort. Durability. The ELGOTAN screwdriver kit is built to last. The screwdriver and bits are made from high-quality materials that can withstand regular use without wearing out or breaking. The kit also comes with a durable carrying case that keeps the screwdriver and bits organized and protected when not in use. Ease of use. The ELGOTAN screwdriver kit is easy to use, even for beginners. The cordless screwdriver is simple to operate, with a single on/off switch that controls the speed and direction of the driver. The magnetic bits are easy to install and remove, and the kit comes with a helpful manual that provides instructions and tips for using the tool. Value. The ELGOTAN screwdriver kit offers excellent value for its price. The kit includes a cordless screwdriver and 48 magnetic bits in various sizes and shapes, which makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. The kit also comes with a durable carrying case that keeps the tool organized and protected, making it easy to transport and store. Conclusion. Overall, the ELGOTAN 51-in-1 small cordless precision screwdriver kit with 48 magnetic bits is a versatile and handy tool that is well suited for anyone who needs to work with small electronics. The screwdriver is compact and easy to grip, the bits are easy to swap out, and the magnetic design helps prevent lost or dropped screws. The kit is also durable, easy to use, and provides excellent value for its price, making it a highly recommended tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional technician.